Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a little walkthrough on the Bennington Q25 that just arrived. Guys, what a beautiful boat we've got here. It's got the full luminescence blue paneling throughout the whole boat. It's got the blackout Lux package with the heavy duty black rub rail. You'll see you have your docking lights and nav lights integrated into the bow here. You've got your pop-up cleats. Again, beautiful rub rail runs down the full side of the boat, blacked out. Let's take a look at the stern. Taking a look at the stern, guys, you'll see that this is the fastback. You've got the Rockford Fosgate speakers sitting here in the back side of your of your quad bench seating. This is a ESP package with the 32-inch center elliptical tune. Boat has underwater lights, powered with the Mercury 350 V10 stainless steel prop. We've got the lily pad ladder, excellent for getting on and off when you're swimming. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard. Again, this is the quad bench layout. We've got the graphite Simtex upholstery with the carbon accents, diamond pressed, double stitched. You'll see you got your speakers up front as well with USB plug-ins. This boat also has the drop-down armrest on both sides. This one has a wireless charger accommodating it as well. Side-by-side captain's chairs, raised helm. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see we've got the new Vivid displays. This is going to have engine performance specs. This is going to navigate all your systems, and then your SIMRAD for your chart plotter and depth finder capabilities. Of course, this is digital throttles with active trim. Mirrored bench seating in the stern. Drop-down armrest. Guys, all Benningtons have a 10-foot bimini top. This one has a ski pylon. Beautiful boat, guys. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.